the verse of this song is really simple. It's a simple progression. It's a 1-5-4 progression in the key of F. So the 1 chord in key of F is obviously an F. And the 5 chord is a C. And the 4 chord is a B flat. If you're gonna try to improvise over these 3 chords, C, B flat and F, you can try to play C major pentatonic over the C chord, and over the B flat you play B flat major pentatonic, and over F you play F major pentatonic. So it's kind of simple. The theory is simple, you know. You work with 3 different scales, 1 for each chord. If you're not used to this thinking, you know, it can be kind of hard in the beginning, you know, because you have to switch scale all the time. You can of course play like the F major scale or F major pentatonic over the whole progression, but I like to outline the chord progression, so that's why I play C major pentatonic over the C chord, and then over B flat I play B flat major pentatonic, and obviously over the F I play F major pentatonic. I hope that helps. So in Cries, it starts with an E flat 5, you know, a E power chord. 6th fret, 8th fret and 8th fret. But with the 5th in the bass. So you have, and you move up chromatically to F. This is F5 with the 5th in the bass. So yeah, that's how it starts. And I add these strokes here, muted strokes. How do I do that? Obviously I strum with my pick on the strings, but at the same time I also hit the strings with my palm. So with my palm, but also with my pick, so it sounds like that. And I do some whammy bar there also, you know, just a tiny bit. I just push it down a tiny bit. And that part it's the same chords as previously, but it's not with the 5th in the bass now. It's with the major 3rd. Here's an E5, E power chord, E flat power chord, E5, E flat 5. Here's the major 3rd. But before you play the major 3rd, you can play the 9 here, and you do a hammer on to the major 3rd. And you move up chromatically to F, to the F chord. That's kind of it. And then you have this lick that I played, and that sounds like, that's F major pentatonic. That's the scale. Oh, I like to palm mute, at least the first 3 notes. F major pentatonic. After that I go to this chord. It's a C add 9. I play with my thumb here, ring finger, middle finger, and I bar with my index and my pinky on the 10th fret here on the E string. And I move down chromatically to B flat add 9. And I do that open E to F with my thumb here. Same chord as here. So we have C add 9 to B flat 9 to F add 9. Also, this lick here, when I play this F chord, I release my middle finger here from the G string. So I have F here on the E string, I have F there on the D string, I have an open G here, and then a C here. So I play this chord and do a hammer on the G string with my middle finger on the 2nd fret. So you have something like this. After F here, you're gonna go back to the C chord, and I'll play C major pentatonic here again. You have this lick. That's C major pentatonic. Why do I play C major pentatonic? Well, because this is over the C chord, C major chord. I'll play the C, I play the 9 up to the major 3rd, then a bar here with my index finger, 5th fret and 5th fret here. That's the perfect 5th, and here's C again, the root. And I move chromatically down. Why? Because here is the B flat chord. Because we're gonna go from C to B flat. And after that I do this double stop lick again. That we had actually kind of the same lick in the beginning, if you remember the first lick that we played over F, that went like this part. It's the same thing. Kind of the same lick. Okay, after the B flat there, you're gonna go to the F chord again, and I play again a double stop over the F chord using F major pentatonic, and the lick goes like that. So we have this is F major pentatonic again. F major pentatonic. It's a double stop lick using the F major pentatonic scale. And here, when I slide up here, what is this? Well, it's just notes from the F chord. You know, here's an F major. But I play this note, and this note here, and this note. 10th fret on the D string, 10th fret on the B string, and what the hell is this? This is 8th fret on the E string. That's an F chord. So, from C to B flat to F, I play these lines. So after this lick, we're gonna go back to C again, to B flat, to F. On the C chord I play these two notes, 8th fret on the B string and 8th fret on the G string. That's the minor 3rd, so I do a hammer on to the 9th fret in order to get to the major 3rd. So after that I play that line. What's that? This is the root of C to the perfect 5th of C to the 6th of C to the root of B flat. This lick, that's C major pentatonic. When I land on this note, I'm gonna play a B flat major 7 arpeggio. This is the root to the major 3rd, to the perfect 5th, to the major 7, to the root, major 3rd, perfect 5th, and so on. You should always learn the degrees. When you learn a lick or arpeggio scale, always learn the degrees. So you should know, alright, this is the root, this is the major 3rd, this is the perfect 5th, this is the major 7, and so on. Anyway, so the lick goes like slowly. That's a B flat major 7 arpeggio with triplets. After that I play. That's over the F major chord. So I play, again, it's F major pentatonic. After that we're gonna go to the bridge of the song, which is G to B flat, and then you play the same as you did in the beginning, these chords. But anyway, on the G chord I play G9, but I release my pinky from the fretboard, so I get the G chord. So like this. So I go from G add 9 to G, to B flat add 9, to just the B flat, to the intro again. Then I play kind of the same thing, kind of the same rhythm, but I play a G6. G here, G here, here's a B, and here's an E. 3rd fret on the E string, 5th fret on the D string, 4th fret on the G string, and 5th fret on the B string. That's a G6. And I kind of do the same thing as I did previously. I play this G6 chord and I go to the G chord. Same thing on here on the B flat. I tend to vary the rhythm, so on the G chord I play, on the B flat I do this rhythm, G, B flat, and then back to, and the last lick is the same, is kind of the same as in the beginning.